What's up, buttercups? How are y'all doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Super busy day. I have been grocery shopping, meal prepping, and then I'm filming, and then I have to head out shortly to have a date night with my boyfriend. So let's get right through this. As you see by the title right below, I'm going to be talking about my favorite supplements for the gym. I'm super excited. It's like one of my first gym foodie videos, and I'm really excited for it. So I really hope you guys like it, and if you want to see what supplements I take for the gym and everyday usage, you can go right ahead. I am a very on-the-go, quick kind of person, so supplements for me and my lifestyle I find to be more of a necessity, because I really don't have time to stop, eat a full meal that counts all my macros and is good to go, and then in 2 hours do the exact same thing, and in 2 hours do the exact same thing. Like that's how my eating process goes. I cannot do intermittent fasting. I will pass out. I cannot do it. I'm literally hungry within 10 minutes after I wake up. So also, a lot of the products that I have are from pescience. I love pescience. I think they're an incredible brand, and all of their products have never failed me, ever. I've been getting them since, I want to say, last year and a half, something like that. And I have already repurchased one of these, and I wanted to get another one. So we're just gonna get right into this. First things first, with taking supplements, you're going to need a nice cup holder to put it in. I, at Target, found these beautiful stainless steel tumblers. I love them so much. I have one in black. This gray one I bought for my boyfriend because he wanted one too. I accidentally left my icy water in the hot Miami sun. And if you live in Miami, you know it's hot. So yeah, I remember when I got back to my car after grocery shopping, I was like, oh no, my water, but I sipped on it. I was still cold. I was like, yes! So I'm very happy with this purchase. And again, 10 bucks at Target. I know tumblers like these, that come with the stainless steel. I don't think I can tip it off. I can. That are stainless steel on the inside and whatnot. I find them to be pretty expensive. Online and stuff, I've seen them to be $30, $40. But I absolutely I love it. So definitely get your hands on one of these hot, cold, water, juices, coffees, smoothies. Your smoothies will not melt quickly. This is savior for smoothies. So definitely check it out if you can. So first part of the supplement, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about my pre-workouts. My pre-workouts are the beginning of the gym, therefore I might as well just go in order. So the first pre-workout that I ever tried and enjoyed, not was cringing with my face or anything like that, was the pescience Prolific pre-workout. I love this stuff. Even the flavor, melon berry twist, absolutely phenomenal. I can literally take one scoop, swoosh in my mouth, swallow, I'm good to go. This is so good. It's empty, guys. I just have it empty so I can show you guys, because I wanted to say this so you can see it. Even the smell, oh, I love it. I love it. I'm definitely 120% repurchasing the Prolific. This Prolific pre-workout, it's a dialed in focus, explosive energy, ultra powerful pumps, and experience the ultimate mind to muscle connection, which is extremely important when it comes to working out. You guys just gotta really focus on that muscle and just really squeeze. Once you get to the top, let it go, breathe in, and repeat. The next pre-workout that I have is also from pescience. This one is their high volume pre-workout. This one gives you a really solid pump throughout your workout. Like I said, I'm a scoop, swoosh in my mouth kind of person. I don't like to take it in a bottle and wait for it to hit me or anything like that. Kind of just let it go straight to my bloodstream and let's get kicking. So this one's pretty good. I like my Prolific more, I'm gonna be honest. I do like my Prolific more, but I have no complaints. I definitely feel the pump with this. I definitely see a pump with this. So I really like it. So I still have a few things in here. Another thing with my pre-workouts, for example, it says 36 loaded scoops in here, and you know, you're technically supposed to only take like 1 full scoop. Sometimes I don't do that. I don't destroy my pre-workout so quickly. I don't do an entire scoop of pre-workout every single time I work out. It really just depends on how I'm feeling with the workout. But when I'm spending like a good hour in the gym, I'll see me on Instagram at 5 o'clock in the morning doing like my Stairmaster and stuff. I need my pre-workout there, for sure. So sometimes, you know, it varies. Sometimes I only take like half a scoop, but leg days, we on that full scoop. Should I talk about the pre-workouts that I don't like? I'm gonna talk about the pre-workouts that I don't like, that I do not like, and I see it is booming everywhere. Everyone is starting to drink it and love it, and it has to be the Bang drinks. I don't like the Bang drinks. I think they taste phenomenal. Like flavor, 10 out of 10 for sure. I had the peach mango, delicious. But, you know, the cons that I personally see myself, not anyone else, myself. Number 1, a 16 to 18 ounce can is way too big if I'm the type of person that goes in for a 1 hour workout. I'm not a quick drinker. I like to take my time. So when it comes to like a pre-workout being like all that much, I can't really focus on my workout because I'm just like, I need to drink this. And at the same time, like, it was just so effective that it was too effective. I literally couldn't stop shaking at one point, and that was after the gym. So by the end of my workout, I still had like maybe like 3/4 left of it, and I'm like, damn, I paid like almost $5 for this and I have to freaking waste it. So definitely for its size, it's not best for me. I take my shot, pump it in an hour, and go. Plus, if you think about it, isn't it cheaper to get a powder that's like $35 instead of always spending $5 on a drink when you go to the gym? That's just me. I don't know. I think about these things. For one of my protein powders, this one I like to use more towards the morning because it is a coffee protein, is the pescience Select Cafe Caramel Macchiato Protein. Long name. I absolutely love this product. This is my 2nd time purchasing it. It is just so phenomenal. Honestly, I have 0 complaints. It's absolutely delicious. You can enjoy it in 3 ways. You can have it classic iced, you can blend it, or you can have it as a classic hot. I personally think it's best with a blend, like a frappe style, and adding in like an espresso shot just for like an extra kick. That's good. So yeah, that's how I like to have it, but this is absolutely incredible. I want to say it's probably around $30, and with each scoop you get 20 grams of protein. So imagine adding a little bit of milk to that. You have the additional protein from the milk. You have maybe close to about 30 grams of protein, and carbohydrates, 3 carbohydrates. Fat, 1 gram of fat. You're welcome. So if you're looking for a kind of like a coffee protein powder, definitely check this one out. They have 3 different other ones. I know they have a mocha, and I think they have a vanilla frappe as well. Like I said, this one happens to be my favorite, so definitely check these out if you have a chance, because I just love them. I really, really do. Next, pescience Select Snickerdoodle Cookie. Ugh. It's literally a cookie. It's amazing. The only thing I'd have to say is be careful with the amount you put in. Like, yeah, you have a scoop, but make sure your milk to scoop ratio flows, because if not, this is gonna have one hell of a hit of cinnamon. Oh my goodness. I remember I accidentally put like, I think it was only 6 ounces of milk, and I just put 1 scoop in there. I had no ice, and I was like, just blend it, Becky, it's fine. The cinnamon that hit my throat had me coughing for ages. Oh my god. I could drink this every day. I actually prefer to drink this as a dessert, because I think it's perfect for like late night. You get your protein, you get it tasting like a freaking cookie. It's delicious, it's healthy, we healthy. This is great stuff, guys. I want to say this is about $40 maybe. My last pescience product, I promise, the last one. It would be the pescience Select Protein Amazing Gourmet Vanilla. This tastes just like ice cream. I love adding strawberries and mangoes to this, and it tastes like a really nice strawberry mango ice cream. Like, this has changed the protein game for me, and I just love them. I've said it so many times already. But really, they are just absolutely incredible when it comes to all of their products. They all just taste so good, and I never have to worry about something not tasting right or doing the incorrect mix, because these babies got me, man. These babies got me. So, like I said, this is the Gourmet Vanilla. This one is the Amazing Snickerdoodle. So here I have two. And I have the Select Cafe Series Protein and Caramel Macchiato. Fire. Like, seriously, out of everything that I could recommend, I would recommend the Cafe Select and Caramel Macchiato and my Prolific Pre-Workout in Melon Berry Twist. These two would be your go-tos for the gym, and you'll love me forever. You're welcome. So yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh, my first like fitnessy video, you know, talking about my supplements so you guys can kind of get to know the things that I use to help other than just my foods that I eat mainly. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys liked it. If you get anything out of this, like, please let me know. I'll be so happy if you actually take my recommendation. I am not sponsored by pescience in any way, shape, or form. Total disclaimer. I just love their products. Okay, so before I sign off, do not forget to go on my Instagram, because my Instagram has everything that you need for the videos. Anything you want to know is coming up, what I'm eating. I'm always posting what I'm eating, so if you're a foodie, I think you're gonna be all over my page, because I'm literally just always eating. Like, look at that plate of food. Din. And then I prepped today. See, you guys gotta check out the page so we can be friends and we can be cool. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This was actually really fun to do, and I'm excited to do more. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on another screen near you.